Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. When you create a Python script or program, it's important to protect your intellectual property by indicating that your work is copyrighted. One common way to do this is by adding the copyright symbol, copyright, along with your name and the year the work was created. In this tutorial, we will show you how to add the copyright symbol to a Python file using various methods, including code examples. You can easily add the copyright symbol, copyright, to your Python file using a Unicode character. Here's how to do it. In this example, replace your name with your actual name and 2023 with the current year. Another way to add the copyright symbol is by using the HTML entity and copy. This method is useful when working with HTML, or if you prefer the HTML representation of the symbol. Here's how to do it. As before, replace your name with your actual name and 2023 with the current year. If you prefer to use the ORD function in Python to obtain the Unicode code point for the copyright symbol and then convert it to a character, you can do so like this. In this method, you don't need to manually type the copyright symbol, it is generated programmatically based on its Unicode code point. Adding a copyright symbol to your Python file is a straightforward process. You can use one of the methods mentioned above to include the copyright notice along with your name and the current year. This helps protect your intellectual property and lets others know that your work is copyrighted. Remember to update the year in the notice as needed to keep it accurate. ChatGPT